Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a 27-foot round above ground pool. The issue I'm having is I replaced the pool walls about 11 years ago. Last year I noticed there was a drip coming out from the return going back into the pool, and I neglected it. And during the winter I noticed there was a big rust spot going all the way down here. What I did the other day is I just used a sanding pad and I just lightly sanded down the rust that was down here, and I spray painted it. And what I'm going to do today is remove excuse me, the return and see what kind of condition it is behind here. I can see it's kind of rusted. I'm hoping to at least get through this season with this. I did purchase gaskets from Amazon, which cost maybe about $10. It comes with the 3 gaskets, 2 rubber, 1 cardboard. The cardboard goes on the inside. A rubber gasket goes between the pool liner and the pool wall, and then the second plastic gasket goes against the outer pool wall here. You can see it here. It's yellow. So I'm going to take this off now with a set of channel locks, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I just unscrewed this with a set of channel locks, and I think I see what the problem was, why it was dripping. When I put the liner in last year, I had a friend helping me, and apparently they put the gaskets in the wrong order. They put the cardboard on the outside and then a rubber gasket right behind it, which is not the correct setup. It's supposed to be, as I said earlier, the cardboard on the inside of the pool, then a rubber gasket in between the liner and the pool wall on the inside, and then the final rubber gasket on the outside of the pool. So I'm going to finish taking this off. Just a little tip, when you're unscrewing this, it's a big help if you have an extra set of hands helping you. You want to hold the inside, or at least have somebody hold the inside, and it makes it a lot easier as you're trying to unscrew that. So let's finish taking this off and see what it looks like. Once you get the outside hardware off, just get a good grip on the inside and we'll slide it out. Just be careful not to damage the liner. Okay. All right, this is what it looks like, which doesn't look too good. There's a lot of rust, and the outer wall here is rusted through and cracked. It's not mushy, but it's still not ideal. What I'm going to do is sand this down, spray paint it, and keep my fingers crossed it'll get me through this upcoming season. And then I'll probably have to replace the pool wall again. I'm just going to use a sanding block and lightly sand over the rust, not pressing hard at all. It's a lot of fun being a pool owner. All right, I just took a piece of paper towel and crammed it in from the inside of the pool just to keep the spray paint from going into the pool itself. I'm just using Rust-Oleum. It kind of matches the color on the outside of the pool. So it's sanded down, and I'm just going to hit it with some spray paint. right, I'm gonna let that dry and give it another coat. Okay, I got the first coat done. That's dry. I'm just gonna add a second coat. Not putting it on thick, just a light coat. Okay, I'll let the second coat dry and then reattach the connections. Okay, I'm ready to put the gaskets on. I already put the, I call it a cardboard. Could be caulk, I don't know. But that goes on first on the return fitting, and this is going to go inside the pool, and we'll put that narrow end through the hole in the pool wall. If I could do that with one hand, that would be great. Let's see. Okay. All right, now I have the first of the two rubber gaskets. What you want to do with this one is we're gonna put it in between the liner and the inside of the pool wall. Unfortunately, I can't do that with one hand, so I will show you when I get it through. Okay, I got the rubber gasket between the pool liner and the inside of the pool wall, and now I just have the third and final gasket, which is going to go snugly up against the outside of the pool wall. Okay, I hand tighten this as tight as I could with my hand. You just want to make sure the flat edge of that large nut circular thing is flush up against the washer or the gasket, and then you just want to use your channel locks once again to tighten it. You don't want to over tighten it, but you want to make sure it's nice and snug. And same thing as when you took it off, you want your other hand to be inside, holding the inside part of the pool return fitting with your other hand as you're tightening it. So let's do that now. Okay, I got everything tightened down and you're pretty much done. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just a word of advice, don't do what I did. If you have a leak, don't neglect it, because it could lead to something a lot worse. Yeah, so if this video helped you out, kindly give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.